Very warm welcome to you, Sandeep Shetty. Really happy to have you with us.
My pleasure. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. Bye.
ये हमेशा से आपका एक thought process रहा है कि मुझे कुछ अलग करना है. I don't want to be seen as one of the usual.
Being in this industry only is something that you have to be technical. You have to be different. अगर आप में कुछ unique नहीं है तो you can't be here.
When you shot for that movie Heroine, obviously Madhur Bhandarkar and Kareena and everyone has like superb expectations. उसके बाद आपने उस जर्नी को आगे कैसे लिया?
At the beginning, then you have to do PR for yourself.
You have to,
You have to go and tell कि सर मैंने ये काम किया, मैंने वो काम किया.
Which was the first film that you had shot which required you to do an action sequence?
I remember one action sequence where we were shooting for Rocky Hansen. Jumping with a steady camera is a different task, na? Like
Yes.
we were hanging with a harness and coming all the way down. The camera is running behind the actor and the actor jumps. He breaks the window and he jumps and the camera follows him.
Shooting something like which is a song versus doing an action sequence. How different is it to shoot the two? And
As I was a dancer, so I love shooting songs. Because if I tell a choreographer this shot is not working,
Ah.
so he'll also listen to me. The same thing when I tell to Mr. Bansali sir also, he listen to me.
how is the experience working with Sanjay sir?
I love working with him. I've been shooting with him from Ram Leela. After Ram Leela, I've been shooting all his films. But my tuning happened with him after Bajirao. Bajne de dhadak so Ranveer walks.
Yes.
No, with the music Antara, and he continues with the Antara for one single shot. Then he started using it for all his films. Gangubai mein. Then we created magic in that song.
That was unbelievable. I'd seen a video of yours. I think it was of the series Yodha. You are on your Steadicam, and then they've clipped off the harness,
Yeah.
and you've also run.
Ran, right.
It seems so unreal. कितनी practice लगती है और practice कर भी पाते हैं? Do you all get that kind of time liberty?
Time, liberty, I don't think it's anymore left now because you have to be quick.
तो इंसान सीखे कब गलतियाँ कब करे?
गलतियाँ करना तो आप छोटे छोटे पिक्चरों में करके आओगे. You can't do गलतियाँ in big movies.
My guest on today's podcast is someone who started his career as a dancer. Dancer for stage shows, then film shoots, and eventually had a choice. या तो वो assistant बन सकते थे, direction में जा सकते थे, या choreography. But he chose an unconventional path. But he also decided that just choosing the path is not enough. You have to actually learn the technicalities and make your mark when there is a demand, but the supply is less. That's right. He moved on, and today he has become one of the most successful Steadicam operators that Bollywood has seen. Ladies and gentlemen, watch on and listen up as I chat with the very talented, the one who's slowly made his mark but truly got his stamp on, Sandeep Shetty. From Heroine to Kabir Singh to Stree 2, what can I say? इनका काम बहुत ज़्यादा है और इनका काम फिर भी steady है. Very warm welcome to you, Sandeep Shetty. Really happy to have you with us.
My pleasure. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. Bye.
Tell me, it's a unique career choice. एक तो dancer बनना, and उसमें से खुद को पहले convince करना that I want to get into cinematography, and then to get into that space and take up the most challenging part in that space of being the Steadicam operator. Tell me, ये हमेशा से आपका एक thought process रहा है कि मुझे कुछ अलग करना है. I don't want to be seen as one of the usual.
See, I think this is being in this industry only is something that you have to be technical. You have to be different. अगर आप में कुछ यूनिक नहीं है तो you can't be here. I feel so. Like
True.
it can be any department. It can be lighting, it can be setting, all the departments. आप में वो creativity होना चाहिए. और आप में वो कुछ अलग है, then only I think you can survive here.
Yeah.
तो वो I think you can say कि वो कीड़ा पहले से था एक being a dancer, like कुछ तो टेक्निकलिटी करना था, कुछ अलग करना था, वो एक फीलिंग थी ऑलरेडी, इनबिल्ड ही थे। तो वाइल डांसिंग ओनली वो करते करते एंड बीइंग in front of cameras, so you see so many things happening. Right now also you can see so many things, there are lightings, there are cameras and there are people. तो you get fascinated कि कुछ अलग कर रहे हैं, कुछ अलग कर रहे हैं, तो वो एक था कि भाई कुछ अलग करना है। वो करते करते then I was like कि चलो कुछ सीखे to learn camera. So I think the main thing fascinated was the camera for me. So then I approached people कि कि मुझे सीखना है, I want to learn something else. So people are like, "Are you're a good dancer, then why don't you shift your thing,
Right.
Why don't you be a choreographer?" मैं बोला नहीं यार, I don't want to be a choreographer. मतलब है वो, लेकिन I want to do something else. So I approached 3-4 DPs friend of mine. So they were like कि I'll introduce a small story to you basically. क्या होगा, when we were shooting एक फिल्म थी आपका सुरूर. And I was shooting for Master जी गणेश आचार्य जी. तो हम लोग we went to Italy for that song. तो वैसे भी we were freelancer, we used to work with all the choreographers. तो हम लोग का फिक्स नहीं होता था कि we used to work with everyone.
So you were there as a dancer in आपका सुरूर.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
So then that time we went to Germany. तो फिर उधर भी हम लोग हमेशा आगे ही रहते थे. तो being tall, तो एक फायदा था कि चलो एक्टर्स के साथ हमेशा गुड लुकिंग डांसर्स ही खड़े होते थे.
करेक्ट.
तो हमेशा मास्टर जी में शेट्टी आ गया, शेट्टी लेफ्ट, शेट्टी राइट. तो जो मेन जो डीओपी थे, सिनेमाटोग्राफर थे, ही बिकम गुड फ्रेंड. बोला शेट्टी. तो बोला कौन है? तो देन आई स्पोक टू हिम कि सर वी आल्सो बिकम गुड फ्रेंड. देन आफ्टर फॉर द सेम फिल्म विद पप्पू मालू कोरियोग्राफर थे, तो हम लोग गोवा में शूट करने के लिए फॉर डिफरेंट सॉन्ग. तो बोला तू इधर भी? तो बोला सर वी आर फ्रीलांसर्स, वी वर्क विद एवरीवन. तो लाइक गुड यार, मतलब अच्छी बात है. मतलब फिर देन अगेन थोड़ा दिन बाद सरोज जी का शूटिंग था फिल्म सिटी में, तो उधर भी बोला तू इधर भी आ गया. बोला सर हम लोग सबके साथ ही काम करते, जो बोला हम लोग चलते रहते उनके साथ. बोला गुड यार, गुड टू नो. तो उधर दोस्ती और बॉन्डिंग बढ़ गई. तो बोला कि सर एक बात पूछूं क्या आपको? हिज नेम इज मनोज सोनी.
ओके.
तो ही वाज द फर्स्ट मैन हु हैज टच मी कि भाई तू ये कर करके. तो आई स्पोक टू हिम, बोला कि सर मुझे ऐसे डीपी सीखना है, व्हाट शुड आई डू? तो बोला कि आजा मैं तुझे सिखाता हूँ. मैं बोला वाज सो गुड. बोला यार मतलब सीधा इसने बोल दिया अप्रोच. बोले कि हाँ बोल दिया इसने. तो उसने बोला कि आजा. तो मतलब सर करना क्या है? लेकिन उसने मुझे बोला कि देख, फिर मैं तेको अच्छा एक एडवाइस दूंगा कि यू बीइंग अ डांसर, यू हैव अ गुड हाइट, यू हैव अ गुड सेंस ऑफ ह्यूमर, टाइमिंग. बिकॉज अपने फील्ड में एक चीज मेन होती है टाइमिंग. कि to capture perfect moment, to be a cinematographer, you should know how to capture perfect moment, what the actor is going to do at what time. You should know that beat.
Interesting.
हाँ, वो बोला कि वो तेरे पास है, तो why don't you do Steadicam? And I think there were hardly 4-5 people who used to do that. Okay. Not much more people who should do this. मैं बोला Steadicam, तो बोला देख कर ले, बहुत फायदेमंद रहेगा. तो फिर मैंने थोड़ा उस पर होमवर्क किया. मैंने बोला हाँ यार ये आइडिया तो इट्स नॉट अ बैड, बिकॉज टू बी एज अ डीपी यू हैव टू बी अ थर्ड एसी, देन अ सेकंड एसी, देन अ फर्स्ट एसी, देन यू स्टार्ट डूइंग इंडिपेंडेंट प्रोजेक्ट्स, देन यू स्टार्ट. तो लेंथी प्रोसेस होता है. मैं बोला हाँ यार ये तो टाइम कंज्यूमिंग तो है, तो व्हाई डोंट लेट्स बी अ Steadicam थिंग लर्न. तो फिर मैंने सीखा. फिर छोटे मोटे शूट्स करते देन आई अप्रोच्ड एज गणेश जी वाज अ वेरी गुड फ्रेंड ऑफ माइन. तो आई सेड मास्टर जी आई हैव लर्न Steadicam, शुड आई कैन आई एक कभी शूट हो तो मेरे लिए याद करना. बट तभी ऐसा होता था कि टू बी अ काइंड ऑफ, अगर कोई आप मास्टर हो तो यू शुड बी, बिकॉज तभी नेगेटिव कैमरास है, तो यू कांट बी. अभी जैसे डिजिटल हो गए तभी ऐसा नेगेटिव में क्या होता है, स्पेसिफिक शॉट्स, डिजाइन शॉट्स होते रहे. अब ऐसा नहीं, अब तो रैंडम रोल हो रहा है, एक्टर्स बाल बना रहे, कैमरा फिर भी स्टिल रोलिंग, हर चीज शॉट में लाइटिंग हो रही है. तो वैसा पहले नहीं होता था. तो एवरीवन हैज टू बी प्रोफेशनलाइज फॉर दैट स्पेसिफिक थिंग. तो वो भी ऐसा था कि भाई इसको बुलाओ, ये काम खराब करेगा, नाम खराब करेगा, यू नेवर नो. तो मैं बोला कि मास्टर जी तो कभी हो तो याद करना. बोला हाँ बोलता हूँ. ये
इन हिज माइंड ही इज जस्ट थिंकिंग ये
डांसर ही है, क्या करेगा डांसर, मतलब और टेक्निकल चीज में आ गया तो उसको भरोसा था ही नहीं कि कर पाएगा नहीं कर पाएगा. तो रैंडमली वन डे ही कॉल्ड मी अप, बोला कि शेट्टी कल क्या कर रहा है. मुझे लगा मास्टर जी शेट्टी मुझे क्यों पूछ रहे कल क्या कर रहा है. मैं बोला कुछ नहीं. तो बिकॉज आई यूज्ड टू असिस्ट हिम समटाइम्स आल्सो ऐसा फॉर असिस्टेंट कोरियोग्राफर्स. तो फिर बोला कल क्या कर रहा है. तो मैंने बोला कि कल कुछ नहीं. तो कल शूट करेगा. मैं बोला शूट करेगा मींस शूट असिस्टेंट के लिए, ये उसका असिस्टेंट ही विल कॉल मी ना कि कल फ्री है क्या. भाई मास्टर जी भी कॉल मी. मैं बोला हाँ बट क्या शूट है. बोला Steadicam पे. तो आई स्टूड अप, आई वाज शूटिंग इन प्लेस, आई स्टूड अप. बोला हाँ करूंगा मास्टर जी. तो बोलता नाम तो नहीं खराब करेगा ना. बोला मास्टर जी एक मौका दो, लेट मी प्रूव माय सेल्फ. अगर मैंने काम खराब किया जिंदगी में मुझे मत बुलाना. बोला ठीक है डन, कल सुबह 9 बजे फिल्म सन स्टूडियो. तो आई वेंट देयर. वो देयर वाज अ सॉन्ग फॉर हलकट जवानी फॉर हीरोइन. द एक्ट्रेस वाज करीना कपूर. फॉर मी द फर्स्ट बिग सॉन्ग. तो देन
Sorry, did you know कि you're going
no
to a
no no
set?
no 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 no.
You didn't know
I
that it's
didn't know कि
Kareena
मैंने
Kapoor.
पूछा भी नहीं because still now you won't believe if anyone calls me for shoot.
हाँ.
I don't ask कि who's the actor and who's that. It's just कि
Interesting.
I know कि they have called me, so there should be something why they have called me. तो I know I never ask कि कौन actor है क्या है. No. ये मुझे बुलाया मतलब स्पेसिफिक कुछ तो अच्छा ही होगा for sure. तो फिर then I went there. I was like अरे इतना बड़ा तामझाम है. मतलब चलो ठीक है. I was a bit nervous. And see being such a good technician, मास्टर जी, अगर मुझे चाहते तो नो अगर मुझे शायद फर्स्ट शॉट में यूज करते, सेकंड शॉट में यूज करते, तो अगर मैं शायद उस दिन गुफ अप करता तो मैं आई वुड हैव बीन नर्वस एंड आई वुड सैड. तो उसने देखो कितना स्मार्टली उसने वो काम किया कि ही कॉल्ड मी 8 सवा 8 को. उसने 9 to 9 का शिफ्ट होता है, तो बस उसने 8 बजे मुझे बुलाया, शेट्टी चल कैमरा लेके आ जा. मेरा हार्ट बीट स्टार्ट गेटिंग फास्टर कि अभी क्या होगा, अभी क्या होगा, अभी क्या होगा. फिर रिहर्सल किया. तो उसने बोला ये शॉट है ऐसा, करीना विल एंटर द फ्रेम, यू पुल बैक एंड यू गो नेक्स्ट टू द बुल एंड यू चार्ज इनटू हर. I was like people all the dancers were screaming शेट्टी एंड मतलब हाँ you won't believe 120 डांसर्स कुछ थे शायद, 120 या 150 डांसर. करीना कपूर इज लाइक व्हाई पीपल आर स्क्रीमिंग, मतलब इतना क्या हो रहा है, मतलब सुबह से लेके शॉट में कुछ चिल्लाने, सडनली इतना आवाज था सेट पे. दे वर लाइक कि क्या हो क्या रहा है. Then they were like, "Yaar, Shetty, you know, he was a dancer." Yeah, I know him. So she was like, "Very good, Shetty." She was started encouraging me. तो बोला कर लेगा. तो फिर first rehearsal. तो everyone is watching my footstep. Basically for Steadicam, the main game is footsteps.
Okay.
You have to be really smooth because Steadicam is basically your camera should be steady.
Right.
It shouldn't be shaking because normally when you walk with the camera, you feel the jerk, you feel the shaking.
Right.
तो people are all watching my footsteps कि भाई चलता कैसे है. तो रिहर्सल रेडी 1 2 3 4 एंड आई लग करके आई डिड द शॉट. तो फिर मैंने घूम के देखा तो मास्टर जी वहां से ऐसा इशारा किया, थम्स अप. दैट वाज द डे. फिर वहां से मेरी गाड़ी निकल पड़ी, मतलब देन पीपल वाज स्क्रीमिंग. फिर शॉट ओके हो गया एंड आई थिंक 1-2 शॉट्स एंड द शॉट वाज ओके.
Oh God.
बट दैट वाज द डे व्हेन ही शोड मी थम्स अप एंड आफ्टर दैट फिर मेरी गाड़ी निकल पड़ी. फिर छोटे मोटे शूट देन ही स्टार्टेड कॉलिंग मी अप. फिर ऐसा हो गया कि देन वन टाइम ही वाज लाइक कि हर शूट में आई एम देयर.
Really?
Yeah.
You work so much with him now.
Then फिर slowly काम करते फिर मेरा भी कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल बढ़ते गया.
But पहले ही कितना confidence होगा for you to make that shift, because from a dancer category where you have so many people in that space, to have the confidence कि नहीं यार मेरे को ये नहीं करके कुछ और भी करना है, and then to learn about it. You must be having some inbuilt confidence in yourself.
See, that's why I told you, like, in this field, that you have to be unique.
You have to be.
You have to do कुछ तो एक क्रिएटिविटी आप में होना चाहिए, तभी आप हो. वरना आम जनता के पास वो चीज पॉसिबल है नहीं, बिकॉज दे थिंक दे आर दे आर हैप्पी विद दैट कंटेंट, जो भी वो लोग उसी में खुश है. बट अगर आप में कुछ अलग है, कुछ अलग स्पार्क है, देन ओनली यू कैन बी हियर.
But so nice कि आपके peers जो dancers हैं, they're cheering for you. I think उससे बड़ा achievement नहीं हो सकता ना. They are happy for you.
Till now, because now you won't believe now. See, now being I don't call myself a pro, but
you're being humble.
Yeah. So, but now you won't believe. If some junior actors like if they see me on set, तो they are like कि अरे सर आप आ गए, मतलब आज टाइम पे पैकअप हो गया. Because they are so confident when I'm on set, they know कि he is the man who will finish it very fast. और dancers भी मुझे इतने ही गाली देते हैं रिवर्स में, because they know अगर 4 दिन का 5 दिन का गाना है तो he has come, मतलब ये 3 दिन में गाना खत्म हो जाएगा, because he is so fast.
Oh my God.
हाँ, because then people बोलते हैं तूने हम लोग का दिन खराब कर दिया, हम लोग का per day गया. So I get lots of abuses from them also कि भाई ये आ गया मतलब काम जल्दी खत्म होने वाला. वैसे भी होता है.
Oh God. Tell me, when you shot for that movie Heroine, obviously Madhur Bhandarkar and Kareena and everyone has like superb expectations. उसके बाद आपने उस जर्नी को आगे कैसे लिया? Does it still mean कि you have to go to people and tell them that
100%.
Hey, I shot this film, I shot this song?
Yeah. Because then you at the beginning then you have to do PR for yourself.
You have to
go and tell कि सर मैंने ये काम किया, मैंने वो काम किया. Because जब तक आपका मार्केट में काम दिखता नहीं है, तो people will like कि हाँ यार ठीक है मैं बोलता हूँ. Once you're there, because then you don't have to speak. Then people will speak on behalf of you. They will come. अरे यार वो बहुत अच्छा काम किया उसने. He's too good. मतलब he won't take too much of shots, he's really fast.
Okay, word of
Then
mouth works.
yeah, then that goes on.
Hmm.
I think that's the best part in industry. People then they
Yes.
talk behind you, ki bhai he's too good.
And it's mostly a decision of the choreographer as to who should be on Steadicam.
Yeah.
It's mostly a choreographer decision more than a director's choice.
For the
is it?
song?
For songs.
For the song, yes. Because he knows, na, because if someone wants to shoot a song,
Yes.
so he knows ki abhi
What he wants.
and what I can deliver.
Right.
Because being a dancer, I know the beat sense, the
Yeah.
rhythm, the
Yeah.
feeling, how the actor is going to react, and
Right.
कितना करेगा, कितने extent तक करेगा.
हाँ.
तो we be ready for actions also.
हाँ.
For action sequence also, because I know कि ये कितना हद तक करेगा, कहाँ तक जाएगा.
कहाँ
तो I'm always prepared for it. कि मुझे पता है कि ये अगर जंप भी मारने वाला है,
हाँ.
तो ये इधर से ना इसका बजट इतना है, इधर से इधर ही जंप मारेगा. तो I'm ready for it. मुझे पता है अगर टाइगर है तो टाइगर is going to jump from here to there. तो I'll be almost ready. हाँ, तो पहले अपना वो एक कैलकुलेशन नॉलेज चले जाता है. तो फॉर बीइंग अ डांसर दैट रियली हेल्प मी आउट कि भाई टाइमिंग कि ये बीट पे ये करेगा, ये बीट पे वहां जाएगा. तो दैट रियली हेल्प्स मी आउट टू कैच अ फीलिंग टू व्हेन आई शूट अ सीन आल्सो. तो आई नो कि कौन से सीन पे इज गोइंग टू गिव व्हाट एक्सप्रेशन, व्हाट
give that reaction.
तो आई हैव टू कैप्चर दैट. तो आई एम टच वुड दैट्स अ गॉड गिफ्ट फॉर मी और मे व्हाट जो भी बोले. हाँ, तो वो एक आई एम ब्लेस्ड विद दैट.
It is your, I think also your experience as a dancer,
Yeah.
being on set, वो comfort level already
The
था.
confidence you can
Confidence
say
is
100%.
base तो
Yeah,
वहीं
yeah,
से है कि आपको already पता है, you are in a known environment.
Yeah, yeah.
मुझे पता है कि यहाँ पे अब कैसे होने वाला है, क्या
वो
होने
पहले
वाला
भी मुझे भी हो गया कि जब मैं काम मांग के जब
हाँ.
जाता था सेट पे, आप सीन समवेयर तो मैं से कि सर मैं डांस करता था. हाँ, तभी मैंने देखा है. तो क्या ना ऑटोमेटिक वो बॉन्डिंग में जाके चलो पहचान वाला बंदा.
हाँ.
अगर कोई नया बंदा सेट पे जाता है तो वो एक अंडरस्टैंडिंग और वो
Yes.
केमिस्ट्री जमने में टाइम लगता है. कर पाएगा, उनको भी ट्रस्ट नहीं होता ना, कर पाएगा. सी नाउ दैट्स व्हाई आई एम सेइंग कि पहले जो था इट वाज ऑल नेगेटिव.
Correct.
तो नेगेटिव में क्या होता था कि दे नो कि इतना ही मैगजीन है,
हाँ, yes.
तो इतना ही शूट करना है. अनवांटेड शूट करते ही नहीं थे कि ये अगर समझो व्हाट वी आर टॉकिंग, तो मुझे आपको पता कि इतना ही पूछना है और मुझे इतना ही जवाब देना है. अब नाउ बीइंग अ डिजिटल टू बी टॉक नॉनसेंस, कुछ भी बात करो चलता, यू नो इट्स गोइंग टू बी एडिटेड. पहले ऐसा नहीं होता था कि प्रोड्यूसर भी बोलता था कि भाई दिन का 2 ही डब्बा है, तो इतना ही शूट करना, फिनिश करना है आपको. तो दे हैव टू गेट अ स्पेसिफिक मैन हु नोस हिज वर्क.
Interesting. That was more challenging.
Perfect.
Definitely.
And I feel कि वो मजेदार था.
हाँ.
Because people should know their work.
I know हमारी फील्ड में like in weddings हम लोग वही देखते हैं कि जो फोटोग्राफर्स होते हैं एंड जो सिनेमाटोग्राफर्स होते हैं वो क्लिक 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 चलता ही रहता है उनका, बिकॉज इट्स डिजिटल, दे आर नॉट वरीड. फिर वो क्लाइंट को दे देते हैं 5,000-7,000 फोटोग्राफ्स और बोलते अब सिलेक्ट करो, आप काम पे लगो. पहले कितना था, लिमिटेड था, तो आउटपुट भी एकदम फोकस था कि यार हर एक अपना काम सही से करेगा. अब देयर इज नो वरी, क्योंकि 5,000 पिक्चर्स में 50 पिक्चर्स बच्चे आ ही जाएंगे. दैट्स द थिंग. तो
that's a plus point also and that's a minus point also. But I feel कि work has gone to some other level only, कि वो भी वो I don't think it's there जो पहले होता था. It's good also. See, you get a liberty to do. You can explore things.
Yes.
कि मैं ऐसा भी करूँ या वैसा भी.
You don't lose a moment. You don't lose a moment. मिल जाता है.
तो वो पहले ऐसा वो नहीं था. पहले कि you know कि भाई इतना ही करना है. तो आप सोच समझ के काम करते. Now we can experiment कि चलो we can take a shot from there also. We can take a shot from here also. No, we can try doing lots of different things.
But tell me, when it comes to the technical learning, जैसे कि जब हम मूवी के टाइटल्स देखते हैं and we always see के DOPs cinematographer में वो WICA करके लिख के आता है. What exactly is that, and does that mean that you have to have that registration to be able to work, or does that add value to your?
It's basically a union where this cinematographers come from.
Okay.
So Western Indian Cinematographer Association. So we have come from there. So it means all the cinematographers, they come from there. So it's a union basically.
Okay. So you have to be a part of that.
Now I think no, because पहले ऐसे ही था. You have to. See, I told na, to be in any field, to being a dancer, to be a junior artist, to be an actor, to be a producer, you have to get a card.
Okay.
तो वो कार्ड आपको बनाना ही पड़ेगा. तो आप जो भी फील्ड में जाओ, अगर समझो आप लाइटिंग वाले हैं तो आपको लाइटिंग एसोसिएशन का कार्ड बनाना पड़ेगा. आप सेटिंग के हो, आर्ट डिपार्टमेंट के हो, एनी फील्ड, यू हैव टू गेट द यूनियन कार्ड. वैसे था. तो WIC के थ्रू वी हैव टू गेट अ कार्ड एंड देन ओनली यू कैन वर्क. वैसा था.
But then to get the card, did you have to study, like using the Steadicam? How did you educate yourself and learn all this?
I learned, see, पहले मैंने छोटे मोटे शूट स्टार्ट किए. पहले मैंने
By
कार्ड नहीं बनाया.
yourself?
या पहले मतलब आफ्टर लर्निंग, आफ्टर लीविंग डांसिंग,
Yes.
आफ्टर आई लेफ्ट डांसिंग, आई स्टार्टेड लर्निंग स्टडी कैम्प.
हाँ.
तो वो जब मैंने खुद का इंडिपेंडेंट स्टार्ट किया तो
हाँ.
आई शुड गो फॉर स्मॉल. तभी मेरा कार्ड नहीं था. आई शुड डू एज अ नॉन मेंबर ओनली.
Okay.
देन फिर मैंने जब मेरा काम किया, प्रोफाइल बना, जब मैंने
हाँ.
काम, देन आई अप्रोच टू WSA कि सर नाउ आई एम वर्किंग लाइक दिस.
Okay.
I've done so many of shoots.
हाँ.
Now people know me.
हाँ.
तो फिर because to get the card also you needed sign of two different cinematographers who will sign on behalf of you कि I know this guy, he works. वैसा होता है. So then only they will take the card और देखेंगे कि हाँ भाई ये काम कर सकता है कि नहीं कर सकता है. These people know them.
Yeah.
Then only you'll get the card. वैसा होता है.
Tell me, after doing this kind of training, did any of your dancer friends out of curiosity come and say, यार मुझे भी इस लाइन में आना है?
So
कैसे
many
तुमने
people.
किया? है ना?
So many people. Now I'll tell you because पहले तो कोई इतना लोग नहीं सोचते थे, बट लेकिन अभी आई थिंक डाउन द लाइन 4-5 years देयर आर सो मेनी पीपल यूज्ड टू कम. अरे शेट्टी अन्ना मुझे भी आके सीखना है, या मुझे भी करना है, मुझे भी करना है, मुझे भी करना है. तो आई वाज लाइक देन आई ट्रेन 2-3 पीपल अंडर मी आल्सो. मैंने किए. तो देयर आर 2-3 देयर आर 2-3 मोर डांसर फ्रेंड्स आई हैव ट्रेन. So they are working on for me as an assistant. When people don't have budget for me, so I send them. So I have my team right now. I have 3 study camps. So I have people train under me right now. So there are different budgets. So अगर समझो कोई मेरा budget afford नहीं कर पा रहा है, तो I send my team. उसका भी budget नहीं है तो I have my other people. ऐसा.
Oh my God! Just see where you have reached. Tell me the first time when you handled Steadicam, which year was that?
I think 2009 I started learning, and after that 2010 I started operating. But I exactly don't remember which film.
You don't remember?
I swear, but that was some I don't know. Some small B grade movie.
हाँ.
But I don't exactly remember. But I know the incident कि वहाँ पे शूट पे क्या हुआ था.
यार आपने कितनी फिल्में की होगी
अब
कि
तो
आपको
मैंने
याद ही नहीं है.
But I'm very bad with names also. I'm very bad with names.
हाँ.
मैं बहुत बार सेट पे जाता हूँ, ऐसा बोलता हूँ कि ये डायरेक्टर का नाम क्या है? I swear. मतलब ऐसा भी होता, फिर मैं then people tell me कि इसका नाम ये है. फिर वो भी होता, मतलब I'm very bad with names. The known are known, but जो नए होते हैं जिससे पहली बार फर्स्ट टाइम काम करे, मैं पूछता भाई इसका नाम क्या है?
नाम क्या है? याद नहीं आ रहा. So then that was around 2010, vaguely, if you have to.
Yeah.
So it's been like 14 years, almost 15 years now that you have been. And now you have people जिनको आप काम फिर देते हो, which is your assistant.
I've trained people under me.
It's an amazing journey, commendable. उस टाइम पे शायद से तो इतना पोटेंशियल है, जैसे कि आपको उस सिनेमेटोग्राफर ने बताया, मिस्टर मनोज, राइट?
मनोज सोनी, yes.
हाँ, तो उन्होंने आपको बताया कि इसमें शायद पोटेंशियल है, इस लाइन में आगे बढ़ो. बट एज अ डांसर भी एक करियर में स्टेबिलिटी नहीं आ पाती, कभी शूटिंग है कभी नहीं है. एंड यू ऑल्सो नो कि एज जैसे ही बढ़ता है उस डांसर की डिमांड कम होती है. देयर इज अ यंगर वन टू रिप्लेस यू.
Sorry to cut you, but लेकिन it is in all the fields. It's not only for dancing.
Why do you say that?
Because in our field also, see, there are so many competitions right now.
Okay.
So you have to be the best. To be in that, to be busy, to be the best, you have to be best. मतलब you should be something different.
Okay.
Then only people will start, because see, there are market में तो बहुत सारे options है ना. अगर आप दूध लेने जाओ मार्केट में तो 10 तरह के दूध है, लेकिन उसमें जो बेस्ट होगा, why will you choose that? तो वैसे ही है, कुछ भी चीज के लिए you have to be the best.
And it doesn't have anything to do with age. Even at a more older age, you can still end up.
I feel as you start getting older, see, your body starts reacting then.
Yes.
You won't be, जो आप 20-25 साल में जो कर सकते हो, I think by the age of 50, you won't be that capable of doing so faster moves, you know. दिल मानेगा, लेकिन बदन भी तो साथ देना चाहिए ना, तो body we should also be, you know, in that sense. So I think as the age grows, so you start getting it slower. I feel so.
Correct. How much of physical toll does a Steadicam operator have to go through?
See, the weight of the Steadicam almost goes till 35-40 kgs, 42 kgs.
What?
Yeah, depending on the cameras. If I use a bigger LF with a big Cook S7 lens or S7 or S8 lens, 8 lenses, I think it goes till 40-42 kgs.
Oh my God. And how much of time do you end up holding that on yourself?
See, that's what I told you. That's why I love शूटिंग इन नेगेटिव कैमरास बिकॉज पहले कैसा होता था कि हर चीज एक स्पेसिफिक होता था कि ये शॉट है,
हाँ
इतना ही करना है, यही करना है. अब ऐसा नहीं है. अब इट्स ऑल बिकम रैंडम. So now they have called Steadicam means they won't call, अब उनको ऐसे कि जो संदीप शेट्टी आ रहा है, let's not call it dolly also, like a panther track trolley. He will finish everything. अगर मैं सेट पे आ गया तो उनका बजटिंग का भी होता है इश्यूज, तो they were like कि भाई इसको मत बुला ले, Steadicam में सब काम हो जाएगा. तो everything if I go
all in one expected from you.
yes, from morning like 12 hours it's all on me. It's like that. But it's good. I love working also. I love working.
But
Trust
it
me.
takes a toll on your body.
But that's fine. How मतलब that how it is.
This is I think you're very never say no spirit अच्छा है, but I'm sure कि वो physically भी you have to be aware, right?
Yeah, for sure.
I don't think उस time पे तो सब इतने excitement में बह जाते होंगे. They must not be realizing also so many times that hey, there is this guy who is holding that much on his body.
उनका काम इतना अच्छा है तो they also कि हाँ यार फास्ट हो रहा है, अच्छा हो रहा है. तो उसी पे आपको you get different more work also ना कि भाई इसको पता है कि अच्छा काम करता है. He is good.
Correct. Tell me, shooting something like which is a song, you know, versus doing an action sequence. दोनों की आपके तरीके से तैयारी कितनी prep कितनी अलग होती है, and how different is it to shoot the two, and pros and cons or issues that you have?
As I was a dancer, so I love shooting songs. I love shooting scenes also and action also.
Right.
But the main forte of me is shooting a song. Because then वहाँ पे क्या होता है, I know कि this is my world.
Right.
You know, because if I tell a choreographer this shot is not working, so he'll also listen to me.
Yes.
As you won't believe,
Interesting.
the same thing when I tell to Mr. Bansali sir also, he listen to me कि मैं उसको जब बोलूँगा कि नहीं सर ये shot यहाँ पे बोलेगा हाँ ठीक है ये shot let's try this also. He listen to me. If you see Gangubai and all, तो मतलब मैं उनको बोलता हूँ कि ये सर ये शॉट यहाँ पे वर्कआउट नहीं करा, ओके लेट्स ट्राई दिस, व्हाट डू यू फील. ही इज लाइक दैट बिकॉज ही नोज कि बीइंग अ डांसर अगर मैं कुछ बोल रहा हूँ तो ये टेक्निकली कहीं ना कहीं तो कुछ जाके उनके उससे मैच होगा. ही लिसन टू मी कि हाँ कि ये बात तो है इसमें है कुछ ऐसा. So my forte is dancing. So उसको पता है कि all choreographers they know कि अगर मैं कुछ बोल रहा है,
हाँ, you're adding value
to it. तो ये कहीं ना कहीं ऐसी random तो कुछ बोलेगा नहीं.
हाँ.
ये कुछ ना कुछ अच्छे के लिए ही बोलेगा वैसा.
How is the experience working with Sanjay sir?
It's fab. मतलब I love working with him. I've been shooting with him from I think Ramleela. After Ramleela I've been shooting all his films. बट रामलीला वॉज ओके मतलब आया कोई ऑपरेटर आके काम करके गया वैसा था. बट माई ट्यूनिंग हैपेंड विद हिम आफ्टर बाजीराव.
ओके
वी वर शूटिंग दैट सॉन्ग बजने दे धड़क. तो वैसे एज आई टोल्ड यू डांसर्स अब्यूज मी बिकॉज ऑफ दैट थिंग. The song was supposed to shoot for 9 days. And it was shot by Ganesh Master ji.
Yes.
So what happened on the fourth day what happened, Master ji was like let's plan a one take big shot. तो मास्टर संजय सर वाज लाइक कैसा क्या करे, तो ही वाज लाइक ओके लाइक दिस. तो वेयर रणवीर वॉक्स with the music अंतरा and he continues with the अंतरा for a one single shot. तो बोला कैसा करे, तो बोला स्टडी कैंप पे करते हैं. कौन करेगा, बोला शेट्टी पूछो फ्री है क्या. पीपल कॉल मी सर फ्री हो गया आप, तो बोला. और बंसाली सर के इधर से सबसे मेन वही है कि ही इज नेवर प्लानिंग. मतलब पहले प्लान नहीं करते वो कि ऑन द डे ऑफ शूट सर आ सकते हो क्या, ही इज लाइक दैट. आज अभी आ सकते हो क्या, मतलब 2 घंटे के बाद, मतलब ही इज लाइक दैट. तो फिर मैंने बोला कि भाई 12 बज रहा है अभी. तो बोला कि आई वाज डूइंग समथिंग. मैं बोला कि 3-4 बजे के पहले मैं नहीं आऊंगा. डन आ जाओ. तो दे डिड रिहर्सल विद द फोन एंड ऑल. तो 4 बजे इवेंट, एवरीवन वाज वेटिंग फॉर मी कि शेट्टी आएगा. कौन है शेट्टी, हाफ द पीपल दे डिडंट नो मी आल्सो.
करेक्ट.
तो बंसाली वाज लाइक हो जाएगा ना. मासी बोला आई नो हो जाएगा. सो वी रिहर्सल दिखाया मुझे कि रन इज वॉकिंग. तो मतलब ठीक है लेट्स डू इट. तो 1-2 बार रिहर्सल मैंने देखा. थर्ड रिहर्सल आई टुक विद द कैमरा एंड लाइक लेट्स टेक. उसके बाद आफ्टर दैट शॉट देन बंसाली वाज लाइक भाई इसमें कुछ तो है. तो उन्होंने फिर बोला कि ही इज समथिंग गुड. उनके बाद से आफ्टर दैट सॉन्ग देन उनका और मेरा केमिस्ट्री स्टार्टेड वर्किंग. Then he started using me for all his films, all his songs. वैसे करते फिर गंगूबाई में then we created magic in that song.
That was unbelievable. I mean, when you're watching it, I, as a viewer, but from the creative space, I was so envious. I was like, even if I'd got to be a part of the crowd that's
Yeah.
around, it would have been such an amazing
Yes, yes, yes.
experience.
You won't
It's-
believe that shot.
I was-
That was the last shot. Because Bhansali sir के यहाँ पे क्या होता है?
हाँ,
He keeps on trying new things.
अच्छा.
Choreography wise also.
हाँ.
Let's Alia bend more. Do take your hand.
हाँ,
वो कुछ ना कुछ करते रहेंगे. कुछ
हाँ.
ना कुछ करते रहेंगे. ना ओके अभी एक टर्न लेके दिखाओ.
हाँ.
ऐसा कुछ करते रहेंगे. तो उनका रिहर्सल ज्यादा होता है. तो आई थिंक दैट शॉट I think that was last shot. कि वो and he was like I got my shot because that was not supposed to happen. She was not supposed to because
She was not
twirling.
supposed to twirl.
She was supposed to twirl, but
Okay.
like if you see the shot
Yeah.
after the fifth twirl,
Yeah.
she banged into the girl
Yes.
and randomly and you won't believe that
Huh.
was a magical shot.
Hmm.
He even same thing had Alia has also spoken in her interview
Okay.
because she was not supposed to. She was supposed to twirl, मतलब not supposed to bang the girl. She was twirl, and she comes in front of the camera. ऐसा कुछ था.
हाँ.
And but उसमें क्या हो गया शॉट में she is twirling and she banged to the girl
हाँ.
and I was like कि अभी तो कट ही होगा शॉट you know
हाँ.
bang हो गया शॉट में था ही नहीं
था ही नहीं.
and sir is really specific about his shots कि he want all
हाँ.
the shots to be proper designs all should go properly ना एक भी चीज यहाँ का वहाँ नहीं होना चाहिए so good at it तो bang करके आई and I was like कि I was about to leave the shot
हाँ.
and she continued it and I was like even then I went for the shot and वो shot complete उसने किया and everyone was like Bhansali sir came सब लोग ताली बजा रहे सिटी बजा रहे and like मैं बोला क्या हो गया तो वो like I got my shot तो मैं बोला but लेकिन वो नहीं I wanted that only कि ना if
हाँ.
you see that shot
It's so
Alia is
natural.
so good हाँ it's so natural Alia is so good at it
हाँ.
मतलब उसने भी पता नहीं she was like even I didn't know what happened I banged to the girl and I felt like doing it and she carried away तो even I was like I was about to take the camera कि अभी shot तो कट होने वाला ही है but luckily she उसने आगे continue किया and I went after her
Imagine.
and then Bhansali sir was like कि even at that time Ranveer had come he was Ranveer just came to see what's happening and everyone was dancing after that shot and you know then he was like I got my shot so he came and hugged me also he was so happy that I didn't give up the shot
Exactly. Imagine you had to be so involved in that space and not be technical about it. Technically she's banged in, so now we'll have to cut the shot. You were in that moment with her. Whatever she was experiencing, you played along. Such amazing memories. I hope उसमें तो आपने dancers को अपने 4-5 दिन का shoot time दिया.
So I was talking about that रणवीर सिंह का song for बाजीराव. तो उसमें 9 दिन का गाना था 9 days. So 4 days Master Ji planned for that shot and we took that shot and वो हो गया. और 5वां दिन because आधा गाना खत्म हो गया अंतरा and that music piece was there तो that got finished. बचा थोड़ा shot तो 5वें दिन गाना खत्म. डांसर्स अब्यूजिंग में लाइक एनीथिंग बोलता है तू आता है और हम लोग का दिन खराब होता है इट वाज सपोज्ड टू हैपन फॉर 9 days वी फिनिश्ड 5 days 4 दिन का नुकसान हो गया
तो शेट्टी अन्ना इज डेंजर अन्ना
so that's a trademark so when they all dancers see me on set भाई अभी खत्म
चलो अभी और काम ढूंढना शुरू करो
but I tell them कि नहीं ये गाना 2 दिन का है 3 दिन because they know कि I'll say the truth हम लोग मुझे आके पूछेंगे क्या आना कितना दिन गाना 3 दिन जाएगा पक्का ना the very first time they come and say they speak to me 2 दिन है 3 दिन है मैं तो 3 दिन का
शेट्टी ने बोला 3 दिन तो 3
दिन जाएगा because you know
coming to the space of action I to get very scared even watching an action film. There are many people like me. I'm sure you know this. Tell me, which was the first film that you had shot which required you to do an action sequence?
Action sequence. I remember one action sequence where we're shooting for Rocky Hansen. So there's a sequence where John is running.
Yeah.
We shot the sequence in Goa. So the action director, his name is Rod. So he was planning to shoot something like the camera is running behind the actor and the actor jumps. He breaks the window and he jumps and the camera follows him.
Okay.
So they were like, कैसा करे? तो Rod was like, you will jump with a harness. I was like, yes, why not? तो बोला ठीक है कोशिश करते मतलब श्योर बोला पक्का करते so like jumping with a steady camera is a different task ना like hanging with a harness and coming all the way down
totally
हाँ तो मैं बोला ठीक है let's do it. So even that was a good experience for me. Even I want to do something creative cheese.
For
And
sure.
हमेशा वही हो रहा है, भाग रहा है, मार रहा है, गिर रहा है. But jumping with a camera, with the actor, is something different.
Yeah.
So we planned like that, and we did that shot, and it came out really fantastically.
Oh,
Good.
God. And have you ever enjoyed yourself in trying to get carried away in an action sequence? And ऐसा कभी हुआ है that you've
See, in action sequence, I think you have to do specifically what you have been told. Because I'll tell you, because what happens, समझो अभी action में
you can't get carried away.
because there are some lots of things happening. अगर कोई मार रहा है, कोई गिर भी रहा है, तो उसको पता है कि इतना ही गिरना है. अगर उसके बाहर गिर, समझो if I kept a mat here, and if he falls beyond the mat, there are chances he might get an injury also. So he always has to do what he has been told. He can't do extra. अगर कुछ आग लग रहा है, आग का सीक्वेंस है, तो he can't go beyond that thing.
Yes.
He has to always stay here. और जितना बोला उतना ही करना, बिकॉज यू नेवर नो कि कुछ भलता हो जाए, करने कुछ जा रहे कुछ और हो जाए, तो इसके लिए जितना बोला उतना ही. डांसिंग सीक्वेंस में पता है कि कुछ भी है, अगर कुछ ना कुछ शॉट से लोग यूज कर सकते हैं. फ्रिक आउट है तो फ्रिक आउट यूज कर सकते हैं, बट यहाँ पे ऐसा नहीं. अगर किक का शॉट है तो मुझे पता है कि किक मारने के बाद उतना ही गिरेगा, और कुछ एक्स्ट्रा करने की जरूरत नहीं है.
I'd seen a video of yours. I think it was of the series Yodha.
Yeah.
And I saw that you are on your Steadicam, and then they've clipped off the harness, and you've also run.
Yeah.
It seems so unreal. Okay, when somebody is clipping me off, I'm going to take a second because I can't have so much faith in him na कि वो निकला ही है. But you were so smooth in your transition that I felt actually they were shooting you than anything else. Tell me, that requires a lot of faith. And there's another thing that I see, that there's always an assistant or somebody behind you who's pulling you to give you a sense of कितना पीछे आना है. You know, it's like that in dance, the way you have a leap of faith, you know, it's literally like that. You have to have so much faith that, okay, he must have clipped me off for me to be able to run without giving it a jerk.
Yeah.
कितनी practice लगती है, और practice कर भी पाते हैं? Do you all get that kind of time liberty?
Time liberty, I don't think it's anymore left now, because you have to be quick.
Really?
You have to, because there is.
तो इंसान सीखे कब गलतियां कब करे, इसमें there is no scope.
See, गलतियां करना तो आप छोटे-छोटे पिक्चरों में करके आओ. You can't do गलतियां in big movies where you have big actors. Because वहाँ पे already टाइम का शॉर्टेज होता है, because they have all planned like that कि 12 घंटे में इतना ही करना है. Because all budget thing happening right now, so they can't go over budget. They can't shoot कि that thing only can work in Bhansali films. Where he can say, I'm not liking it, okay, I'll shoot it tomorrow. He does that. He can shoot of one single take for a day.
Really?
I swear. Until he loves it कि ये shot मेरे लिए okay, he'll keep doing it. He won't care कि मेरा एक दिन बटा, okay, I'll shoot it tomorrow. He's like that. But other films, they have this same budget things कि नहीं यार 12 घंटे का किया है, तो we have to finish it off. And
accountability भी एक चीज है.
वो भी चीज है.
And then what happens with somebody like you who's in that creative space, but yet technically you have to get your takes right. मतलब ऐसा नहीं हो सकता कि there's a retake because of you. Do you
and
feel that pressure?
You can't give retakes because of me कि भाई मैंने goof up कर लिया. You can't do that. When the big actors, so they are also like कि चलो एक take दे देंगे, चलो ठीक है. But again if you are on, then they will be like कि क्या हो रहा है यार.
Wow. So that's like an everyday pressure that you have to deliver every single time.
But when he's giving your best, you have to give your best. It has to go vice versa.
True.
It can't be like, or maybe you have to give a better shot than him. कि अपने तरफ से it should look flawless कि भाई क्या shot दिया है. No? बाकी it's all his performance. मतलब but of course people will watch the actor. They won't see कि भाई क्या camera taking है. They won't see that.
Actually.
The actor has to do his best.
I have to admit this. आप जो बोल रहे हो, I was seeing, Stree. Obviously everyone has seen Stree too. Now, when we're watching a movie, we're just enjoying. And when you see the camera zooming in, the actor is giving the expression the right way, and you're just so much in love with the actor, character, all of it. And then when you see the BTS, and then you realize, even Vicky Kaushal, Tauba Tauba.
Yes.
You're just in awe of, wow. Just see the lighting, see his dressing, see his moves, see the choreography. And when you see the BTS, you realize, oh, there is somebody who's equally performed. Because that in and out and back and left and right, I mean, that any song can only look that magical if your and the actor's tuning is so much in
Perfect.
sync.
Perfect.
It's actually choreographed moves for you as well.
Yeah.
You can't suddenly decide कि मुझे यहाँ से करने का मन हो रहा है, or he can't disturb your thought process because you all are in sync. But
I
the
think
recognition and that whole thing, when I watched the BTS, I kind of was like, I understood the value of वो scene कैसे create हुआ,
Actually, you have to think according to the actors what they are doing and how they are doing. So that I think that will create that magic. अगर आप उसको बोलो कि मेरे हिसाब से करो तो शायद maybe he might feel कि थोड़ा, but you see what he is doing and what best you can give in that. So I think that goes 1-to-1.
Yeah, it's a total give and take, but there's too much of flawless movement required from your end. I can't even imagine with that much of 35-40 kgs on yourself. It's as good as carrying a human being on yourself.
Yeah.
And then being able to look so smooth.
But when I feel when you get the camera on the body and when you take the shot, it's you can't feel that way because it's just the shot what you're taking it.
Yeah.
And what best you can give, and it's all down that. You never feel the weight की क्या है. वैसा नहीं होता है.
You're lost
because
in
you're
that.
on it, because you're on that shot. मतलब अभी क्या अच्छा क्या हो, अच्छा क्या कैसा करे, you're on that thing. I don't feel you feel the weight on that. मतलब वो feel नहीं होता. Until it's a big shot, like अगर 10 मिनट 11 मिनट का चल रहा है तो फिर feeling हो रही है कि भाई अभी ज़्यादा हो रहा है.
हाँ, then we need to call a cut now. High time.
I have taken a single take, you won't believe. I've taken a single one-shot film for 43 minutes.
What?
For 43 minutes.
And which film was this, and why would you do this?
It was a short film. I was shooting for Mohenjo-daro.
Okay.
So this assistant directors, they came and they're like, sir, we need help from you. What? We are planning, we are producing and we are directing a short film. So we will love that you will come and shoot this. I was like, okay. But we have a budget thing. चल कोई नहीं, मैं आ जाऊँगा, तुम लेके ले, I'll come. But it's a short film, like it's a one shot thing. तो मतलब कितना मिले, 15-16 मिनट का है. मैं बोला ठीक है, मैं आ जाऊँगा. तो I was shooting for day. From day I went to वालकेश्वर. वहाँ पे उनका लोकेशन था. तो it was a night shoot. तो मैं गया वहाँ पे, रेडी सब, they have done the lighting and all. छोटा सा सेटअप बना के रखा था रूम में. I think Jim Shroff, right? उसकी पहला ही काम था वो.
Okay.
Before being in this thing, तो उसके short film में उसका पहला ही वाला काम था.
Okay.
And one more girl, I think she was in Mukkebaz. That girl, I don't remember her name.
हाँ, I know the film you're talking about. हाँ.
So वो लड़की थी इसमें. All new beginners only.
हाँ.
So I was like कि क्या, तो उसने मुझे so I think we shot on Sony F50.
Okay.
So they came and they shot, दिखाया सर ऐसा. मैं बोला ये तो 45 मिनट्स का है. तुमने 16 मिनट मुझे बोला कि सर वो ऐसा है वैसा है. मैं बोला अभी आ गया तो करना ही है. You can't say no now ना कि भाई अभी मैं बोलूँ कि इतना, I was not prepared for it कि आधा घंटा 40 मिनट कैसे शूट करूंगा मैं. फिर मैंने चलो अभी आ ही गया तो let's try.
Okay.
तो फिर मैं बोला कि let's do it. Let me understand what is the scene. So the guy comes from outdoor, like he walks in, he goes to brothel. Basically it was like that. फिर मैंने बोला यार, फिर समझा कि एक बार दो बार I did a rehearsal without a camera just to understand the timing, what exactly is happening, movement and all. फिर 5-6 rehearsal किया. फिर मैंने बोला कि now let's take a take. So first take I took, then I think 17 minutes I took it off, not because of me, because of the movement, they were not coming exactly in the frame, it was not good. तो मैंने बोला cut. फिर मैंने बोला ठीक है. then again I re-choreographed it कि timing wise, where to go, where to stand, because एक अगर छोटा जगह है तो you have to know ना कि कहीं मेरे लेंस के हिसाब से कि कहाँ कौन कितना कट रहा है, कहाँ आना है, कहाँ जाना है, टाइमिंग के हिसाब से when you have to come, when she has to come, we have to plan. So I choreographed it again, and I think 3 takes, 3:45 I was done. I packed and I left for the तीसरे take में it was okay.
No way.
So that I was thinking, मैं बोला यार, मैं then I thought कि मैंने किया कैसे ये 43 minutes. And I was like,
you were in the moment. I think you're a person who just surrenders. एक बार आप किसी चीज में घुस गए हो, then you just want to
maybe
be there 120% and do it. Tell me, technically, how good do you think our industry is when you compare it to international crew? Have you had a chance to work on
lots of for international projects? Yes, I did.
So how different is it, and where do you think we stand as Indian
I think now
technicians?
we are there.
Really?
Yeah, we are 100%. We are like good technicians, like good equipments right now. We have all the good equipments right now. See, if you see any international films also, the VFX done, it's all in India. If you see the credit lists,
Yeah.
It's all Indian names. It's
Yes.
majority are Indian names.
Ha.
So we are really good in
Hmm.
technical departments also. That's why they come out here to shoot. They get our technicians.
They do.
They do.
I thought it was mostly post-production in which we were getting
No, yeah.
involved.
Because
As individuals, as technicians, I was not aware that we are actually in demand and
No, we
people
are,
are
yeah.
getting work.
But what happens as their thing, if they shoot there, why will they get an
Person from here.
person from it? Because then the cost goes higher, like
Yeah.
to get a visa, to get a travel, to get a stay, everything goes up, na? So that's why they'll get their own team from their local and unnecessary. It's like that. But I feel we are there.
Yeah.
Yeah, 100% we are there. With good technicians and good equipments and everything.
Take me through any of your memorable projects, where you had to work with an international crew and it was a good mix of people coming together.
I've shot for. So as I told you, I'm very bad with names. But,
Yeah.
let me guess. The last which I've did with them for international. I think one I have did which they got an award also for some. In that he was Ali Fazal. Ali Fazal. He was as an actor. So they had this some Indian crew also actors in that, and the whole majority crew was from abroad.
Okay.
So that film got some award in international. I don't know what did it got, but it got some award for it.
Tell me, when we talk about movies जिसमें international crew भी involved हो जाता है and either you're shooting in India or you're shooting abroad. But I just want to understand in terms of systems जो रहते हैं उनके और हमारी जो pre-production जिसे हम कहते हैं prep before we go on floor. How different is it with international films?
I
and
only
versus us?
feel we both are good. The only thing is that they are very good with their budget. So they spend good amount of money for the for the shoot cost and for the post. But here in India, there is nothing called budget. So you have to do in a large budget. We include everything, pre-shoot, post, सब उसमें आ गया. So they give time for everything. तो उनका pre भी इतना अच्छा होता है. Like they will do all kind of R&Ds, कि what best they can do, where they can shoot, और ये कैसा होगा, ये lighting का time, ये shooting time ये best है. तो they will take everything in their consideration. कि भाई हाँ ये अगर 7 से 9 का टाइम है तो ये बेस्ट टाइम है. तो इसको इसी टाइम पे शूट करना और इतना ही शूट करना है. कल वापस आना है. इधर ऐसा नहीं होता है. अपन 9 बजने के बाद 12 बजे टॉप सन पे भी स्टिल शूटिंग. हाउ कैन यू गेट दैट ब्यूटी शॉट of 7 a.m. by 12? It's not possible. Na? So they will come tomorrow again for that shot. But here, there's nothing called that.
That's not the case.
भाई आज आया तो आज ही खत्म करो. ब्यूटी गया तो बाद में देख लेंगे. आप शूट करके दो.
शूट करके डिलीवर कर दो बस. Whatever best is possible.
बस. So budget issues are there. I feel when Bollywood get a good budget film, then I think we might deliver better things. Still we deliver a lots of better things, but like I feel
there's
it's
scope.
all
There's scope to get little more systematic and work towards that one aim.
And I feel these foreigners, they always value life. जो यहाँ पे नहीं है. Everyone is least bothered कि आपको तकलीफ हो रहा है, किसको कितना तकलीफ हो रहा है, कुछ नहीं. They just want to deliver the thing. मुझे 12 घंटा 14 घंटा काम करना है और देना है. वहाँ पे ऐसा नहीं होता. They respect every individual, like every department. तो they know कि एक ह्यूमन बॉडी से कितना काम करवाना है और कितना काम कर सकते हैं.
Excellent.
वो यहाँ पे नहीं. I think that we should get it here.
True. And I think that is required in whether it's studio shooting space or it's live events.
Everywhere.
I think everywhere we as Indians in general don't seem to value the human angle and human working conditions.
Perfect.
Which
I
is something.
think we should get it here.
Yes.
I think that is
true.
Too difficult right now.
Yeah. And it's strange, like जब हमारी industry की मैं बात करूँ तो ऐसा होता है that we get international artists to perform. They come with a clear rider that we will perform for 3 slots, 10 minutes each slot, and the slots have to get over within 2 hours of that start time.
Perfect.
I can't imagine an Indian artist being able to give those kind of terms and conditions and a client accepting it. But when it comes from an international crew, we happily accept it. Oh, this is how they work. They want to eat a certain way. They want to work a certain way. They want to be hosted a certain way. And we're happy to accept it. लेकिन वही चीज जब कोई इंडियन क्रू मांगता है, वी आर लाइक, अरे ये
ये
कहाँ
क्या है?
से राइडर आ गया, ये क्या बात कर रही है,
Then
you
they
know?
think he is out of the box. ये ऐसा क्यों कर रहा है? Then
It's-
they'll think for next time कि भाई नहीं इसको दूर ही रखो.
हाँ,
Get someone who is easy to work on.
yes,
But they don't understand कि वो क्यों मांग रहा है, because वो चीजें लगती है, वो चीजें जरूरी है.
है,
These guys don't understand this thing.
true.
I think that's
Needs
the
to
only thing
change.
that should happen. वो एक revolution आना चाहिए जहाँ पे people should respect each other.
Yes.
कि भाई नहीं ये इंसान को तकलीफ है, इसको इतना ही काम देना है,
हाँ,
इसके ऊपर इसको अपन दे नहीं
नहीं
सकते.
सकते.
These guys don't understand.
and
They think कि पैसा दे दिया मतलब चलो भाई खरीद लिया, इसको कितना
Yeah.
चाहिए काम करा लो.
true. And ये नहीं तो कोई और सही. That second option.
नहीं कोई और सही, आप किसी और को लो, ठीक है, you feel he is capable of it, do it. But लेकिन एक
Respectfully.
रखो ना, कुछ काम का डिग्निटी रखो, कुछ तो रखो
Yeah.
कि भाई मुझे इतना ही काम करना है और ऐसा ही काम करना है.
करना है.
आप रैंडमनेस लेके आओगे तो देन एवरीथिंग विल गो फॉर अ टॉस.
True.
देन आई थिंक वो फिर वो काम को रेस्पेक्ट भी नहीं रहेगा, वैल्यू भी नहीं रहेगा, कुछ भी नहीं. दे जस्ट डूइंग इट इन द
Yes.
सेक ऑफ डूइंग, मतलब मुझे करना है इसके लिए कर रहा हूँ.
कर रहे हो. Tell me, regional movies में क्या situation है? Do you get time to work with
I do.
regional teams?
I just recently shot for a film called it's a remake of this film. Raid करके मूवी आई थी अजय साहब की.
Yes, Akshay.
अजय देवगन की.
Ajay
Yes,
Devgan.
sir.
Oh,
उनकी
yes.
एक फिल्म थी, तो इट्स a remake of that.
Uh-huh.
तो it's called Mr. Bachchan. It was with Ravi Teja.
Okay.
Yeah. तो we shot that film. I think उसके पहले हम लोगों ने एक और पवन कल्याण की एक फिल्म की थी,
Hmm.
उद्धम सिंह करके, but that film is still pending
Okay.
because as he went to elections, he
Right.
got busy with things. The film got
Shelled
stopped.
or
No,
it's
no,
on
Shell is
hold.
there,
Okay.
but they're still figuring out how to get his dates because he's busy with things. So I think once he gets free with his own thing, then he'll come to this. mess.
And then you also give your time to OTT shows and TV commercials.
OTT shows, I don't really do that OTT shows because I'm not that fond of OTT shows until there is someone, director of friend of mine who is working. Because
Why is that?
because the thing is that OTT का एक तो budget issues होते हैं. They have this limited budget, which I don't blame. That's fine. I
Sure.
totally agree with that. But the pattern of working style which they do, I don't like it. Because OTT, my only feel is just they want to shoot the content. They just wanted to capture lots. जितना हो सके shoot करो. Quality काम नहीं है. Just capturing things. They just want to shoot everything from all the angles.
Yeah, I've heard that. They want to shoot everything from all angles.
All the
which-
angles की इसका भी
is-
shot लो, उसका भी shot लो. They are not specific what they want.
So it's
They-
not like a storyboard where you know your final output already and accordingly you're shooting.
No, nah. They just shoot it. फिर बाद में टेबल पे देखेंगे कि ये अच्छा है, वो रखो. मतलब unnecessarily you're just doing unnecessary
much of
work, too much of
effort.
work, and फिर वो I think सबके लिए. It's not only for shooting. अगर कैमरामैन शूट भी कर रहा है तो दिन भर, एक्टर्स भी कर रहा है तो दिन भर का है.
Yeah.
जब एडिटिंग के लिए बैठा तो वो भी देख रहा है इतना माल मसाला क्या करूँ मैं, कहाँ से रखूँ, गेट. तो
True.
कितने सारी चीजें जो वेस्ट में जाती है जो which are not being used also.
Yeah.
So I think everyone should know their work, what they want and how they want.
Wanted.
So I think
how
life
does-
will become more easy.
And then how does somebody like you then unwind? How do you take out that me time to be able to regain your health? Because recouping is also important. for
I
you
don't
to
know, but
be-
I love working, so I think on the
You don't take a break?
When I go on set, I think
Ah.
I'm back to back to one
Oh.
again with full energy. So my main coping and everything is on set only.
He's on set.
When I'm working, I'm always on. I'm full with energy,
Tell me one story which I have not known of completely, but khabar mili hai that when you were new in this industry and you were a dancer, not yet in the space of cinematography, there was a story that every choreographer wanted to work with Panch Pandav. What is this story and who are these Panch Pandav?
It's a long old story basically. So I'll tell you. So what happened? जब डांसिंग करते तो सब इंडिविजुअली करते थे.
हाँ.
फिर एक ऐसा टाइम आया कि वी बिकम अ ग्रुप.
अच्छा.
अब नॉर्मली जब शूट्स करते हो तो यू मेक अ ओन ग्रुप कि हाँ यार ये मेरा फेवरेट है, इज गुड. तो यू मैच योर केमिस्ट्रीज विद इंडिविजुअल्स. तो वैसे भाई 4-5 लोगों का ग्रुप बनते गए. So what happened to my gang? So we all were like tall, लंबे लंबे थे. I mean, not that good looking, तो but थे.
Now you're fishing for a compliment.
So तो people were like कि यार ये 5 लोगों का. तो मैं कैसा करता था? People used to call me
हाँ.
कि there's a guy called Ilyas. So he used to work with Remo. मतलब when Remo started his own thing, they were the gang. So he's from that time. So you won't believe there's a story for me being a studying operator from him also. I'll tell you, he's a big time. I think a God's blessing for me. Like I'll tell you what exactly it is. So he was a man. उसने बोला कि शेट्टी तू एक काम करना यार, मतलब क्या होता है अभी तू तेरा 5 का गैंग बना के रख. तो बोला क्यों? बोला क्या होता है ना, इट्स बिकम इजी फॉर कि पब्लिक को फोन किया, शेट्टी को फोन किया, 5 लोग, शेट्टी ने हाँ बोला, मतलब 5 लोग आ गए. तो देयर से मतलब एक शमशाद करके था, एंड कीथ वन बॉय वाज है, Rajkumar was there, and Nilesh was there, and myself. So we 5, all tall boys. So people used to call me. तो मैं बोलता था कि हाँ 5 लोग हैं. तो वो पब्लिक बोला 5 लोग है, तो उससे वो एक बनते करके पांडव है, 5 लोग है मतलब 5 पांडव. एंड वी वर द नॉटीएस्ट, मतलब वी ऑल वर द नॉटीएस्ट. तो पांडव का नाम बनते कहते हाँ 5 लोगों, 5 पांडव को बोला कि नहीं, तो वैसे इट बिकम फेमस. एंड और जितने भी मेरे ग्रुप में थे, दे वर लाइक मैड पीपल.
Are you in touch with them?
Yeah.
My God, it's so amazing now to grow up together, and then everyone moves into their own little world.
Yeah.
And then you have to find new friends and have new connections all together. It's quite. Does it get lonely ever for you? No. In spite of being with people.
No, because I have a group of people, like being from industry people only. So they are so good. Like even my wife and individual, everyone's wife. They're so jealous. कि देख माय वाइफ, अगर किसी समझो माय बेस्ट फ्रेंड इज ऑगी, तो वो बोलता है कि हाँ देख तेरा बीबी का फोन आ गया ना, विल गो. तो उसका ऐसा है कि उनको पता है कि ये जब दोस्त लोग मिलते हैं तो इनको फैमिली का कुछ पड़ा ही नहीं, मतलब रोज मिलना है इनको, रोज जाना है, ऐसा है. तो माय वाइफ, इवन माय एवरीवन्स वाइफ, दे आर सो जेलस ऑफ हम लोग का दोस्ती से. दे आर सो जेलस, भाई ये लोग में क्या है ऐसा कि ये लोग रोज मिलते हैं, और मतलब ऐसा क्या है कि मतलब इतनी दोस्ती क्या है कि इनकी जो फैमिली की भी पड़ी नहीं, दे आर बॉन्डिंग, मतलब जो रोज मिलना ही है इनको, कुछ भी फंक्शन भी रहे तो मैं उनको मिल के आऊंगा. दे लाइक दैट. सो बाय दिस गैंग, वी आर अ गैंग ऑफ I think Augie, Sushant Pujari, you might be knowing him.
Yes.
Yeah. So Hitesh is Hitesh Patel, Vivek is there, Divakar is there, Pawan Pujari is there. So Adli is there. So everyone is doing the best in their job right now. मतलब सब लोग अपने अपने पीक पे है. Augie, he manages Bosco. So Hitesh, he used to dance before. Now he has started his construction thing. So he's doing fantastic with that. Vivek is there. He does his choreography thing. Adli is there. He's an editor. So he edits lots of all the famous songs. Has been edited by him only. And Divakar is there. He does choreography.
Yes, he does.
And Sushant is there. He's an actor. And
my God.
Okay. So
it's possible for so many amazing creative people to find their calling within this space.
And you won't believe there is no.
And doing well.
Yeah, they are doing. Everyone is doing fab in their own thing. And ऐसा कुछ किसी का कुछ पर्सनल रीड्स नहीं कि मेरे को इससे कुछ मतलब है.
हाँ.
सबका प्यार है. सब एक दूसरे से, मतलब we are all there for love. किसी का पर्सनल कुछ भी नहीं है कि मेरे को इससे कुछ मतलब है या मेरे को इससे कुछ मिलेगा या मुझे कुछ ये देगा. No. We all are there for love. And that's the beauty of the group. And I tell to everyone कि I'm blessed with my group. तो मतलब वो loneliness वाला feeling है ही नहीं. अगर मैं किसी को मेरे ग्रुप में बोल भी दूं मुझे ये है, तो everyone will come up. क्या प्रॉब्लम है, मतलब they are like so good. So good.
My God, I almost feel like आप लोगों पे ही किसी ना किसी दिन कोई ना कोई एक फिल्म बना लेगा with that kind of bonding in spite of being in a field जिसमें काफी सारा competition रहता है. And ups and downs जो रहते हैं, because कुछ दिन होते हैं when you're really busy. And some days and weeks are such that you're just not got any assignment, you know. Does that create a sense of...
But that's good, I feel.
Worry?
You should give time to yourself also.
Yeah?
I'm happy.
Mentally, how do you prepare yourself for a day where you know कि आगे के 5-6 दिन
But ठीक है, that's fine. That चलेगा. You shouldn't be ऐसा नहीं कि you shouldn't be craving every day कि अभी क्या next.
Yeah.
See, आपके नसीब में जितना है, I feel, do your hard work.
Yes.
Everything comes for you.
Ah.
Do your best. You
And don't
have
get
to.
edgy.
Yeah, you
about
don't have to.
Dull days.
Be happy what you have. मतलब जो है आपके पास है उसी में खुश रहो.
Hmm.
अगर मैं 10 दिन भी काम कर रहा हूँ, मैंने कहा be happy. 10 दिन मजे में काम करो. I don't have to calculate कि अभी 10-11 दिन में क्या ये क्या होगा. He is working, he is getting more work. No.
Exactly.
वो उसका नसीब का उसको मिल रहा है, उसका मेहनत का उसको मिल रहा है. I know कि how much of work I'm going to get. So you have to do your best. Keep doing your best. Everything is lined up for you.
Amazing. This has been a career spanning more than 2 decades for you now, from your dancing time, your struggling days into
Yeah,
into
you
this
can say
space.
that. And I'm waiting for the 3rd decade also to happen. Yeah, I'm planning. Actually, I was planning from long. But let's see, when the time comes, it will.
I'm assuming you'll move into direction someday.
I did one small.
You did. I did see that.
I did a short film also. And वो भी एक है inbuilt कीड़ा है, which I want to do, but I don't know where I'm, busy with my own things, so I'm not able to focus on that. Which, so you won't believe, there are so many people who've been pushing up कि करता क्यों नहीं है, कर, but I'm like कि हाँ करूँगा, but लेकिन again I'm busy with my shoot. मैं उस चीज पे फोकस नहीं कर पा रहा. I should do it. Because when the time will go, then I think फिर आपको फिर वो मौका नहीं मिलेगा to prove yourself.
True. Everything should happen, but at the right time, not too soon, not too late.
Yeah, perfect. It has to. जब टाइम आया तो आपको करना ही चाहिए. जब शायद मैंने डांसिंग से इस पे स्विच किया, भी वो टाइम था. अगर मैं शायद मैं ये सोच के चलता कि I was busy with my dancing, earning good, why should I do this? तो मैं शायद अभी आज भी डांसर ही बन के रह जाता शायद. True.
तो
मैंने वो एक इनिशिएटिव लिया कि maybe no, I should do something else. I should explore things. I should do some technicality things. Which और थोड़ा वो इनबिल्ट भी था, तो वो मुझे शायद चेंज और लेके आया.
It's having an awakening and awareness at the right time, which is so important, and perhaps that's why we've called the show also the show must go on. One cannot stop and live in the glory of what is happening is great, but probably there's something bigger that is lined up, but the show must go on for that. Sandeep, thank you so much for talking to us. I really enjoyed this, and more stories which will be off camera, which we'll not keep the camera rolling, although it's digital. But thank you. It was really amazing talking to you.
It's my pleasure. Thank you for having me here.